Okay, so yes. Let's start the warm up. Ready? Please stand up. Please stand up. Those who are well. Okay, those who are not well, you can sit down. Others, those who are well, you can stand up. Vihan, ready, Vihan? Yes, Nitila, can you count, Nitila? Nitila, please count from 10, 9.
13, 14, 16, 19,
Nitila, reverse counting. 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8, 7,
7,
6,
6.
5,
Mm.
4, 3, 2, 1.
And 0.
0 and 0.
Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump around, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
Very good. Come back here, please.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
How are you, Neha?
I'm fine.
Okay, let's start with attendance. Aiden.
I'm fine.
Tejas, your chance will come at the end. You can stay on mute, Tejas.
Tejas.
Devarakshita. Dev Krish.
Yes, I'm
Danvin. Dikshan.
Here I am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good. Dhruv. Parnas.
Yes, ma'am. Yo.
Here I am. No S, ma'am. Okay.
Here I am.
Ashini.
Here I am. Rolly up. Today, here I am. I like the song.
Of everything. Iron. Janavi.
Here
Janavi.
I am. Rolly up. Lori down. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Karthikeyan. Kaviyarini.
Here I am, ma'am. Hooray!
Yay. Naitik.
Here I am. Yo, 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 yo.
Dukshita. Nitila. Good, Nitila. Rajesh. Pranita. Pranita. Rohita. Rohita.
రోహిత అంటున్నారు
నీతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను
అటెండెన్స్ చెప్పు ఇయర్
Satvika. Okay, Satvika. Sailesh.
Here I am, yo, yo.
Good morning, Sailesh. How are you?
I am fine.
You're fine. It's been long time.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sailesh. Siddharth. Okay.
Here I am, yo, yo.
Tejas.
Tejas, बोलो. Here I am. Here I am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good.
Roll.
Good morning, Tejas. Good. Tarnika.
Here I am, rolling poly, yeah.
Okay. Vihan.
చెప్పు
Here I am, Radha ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Vishak. Vivan.
What is action today? What is present today?
What is that? Zedi.
Here I am, roll poly up, roll poly down, roll poly left, roll poly right. I like that sound.
Okay, Zedi. Wonderful. Okay. So now first we'll start with the rhyme time today. Ready, everyone? Okay. We're gonna sing first. I like my pencil. Okay. I like my pencil. I like my pencil. Siddharth, what are you doing? But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Okay, now Zedi. Buzz buzz honeybee.
Honeybee.
Buzz buzz oh honeybee.
Honeybee. When you call a sweet honey,
When you collect sweet honey.
one flower to another.
One flower to another.
Honeybee.
Buzz buzz oh honeybee.
Honeybee. When you call it sweet,
The honey is so very sweet.
the honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive and do you little guy.
Fantastic. Very good, Zedi. Okay, now all of us together.
Thank you,
Okay. Fast, fast. Buzz buzz oh honeybee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz buzz oh honeybee. Buzz buzz oh honeybee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then you do your little jive. Okay, do you all have your rhymes notebook? Rhymes book with you? Yes, you do? Yes. Okay, open the page, take the honeybee rhyme and find out the spelling of bee. B-E-E, bee. If you find it out, you're going to keep your finger there. Yes, okay. You're excused, but when you find it out, you're going to keep your fingers there. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Did you all find out B, E, E, B? If done, show me thumbs up.
I told you, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Now find
What?
the. T-H-E, the. Good morning, Karthikeyan. Find the. T-H-E, the. Tell me, Karthikeyan.
Eight, ma'am.
It's okay, Karthikeyan. Try to join on time. Okay, no problem.
No, ma'am.
Yes, found out T-H-E, the. We are trying. Do you have your rhyme book with you, Karthikeyan? Do you have your rhymes book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, open the rhymes book. Take the honeybee page. Honeybee rhyme page. Buzz, buzz, oh honeybee. Did you all find T-H-E, the? Okay, now you are going to take out your pencil, or if you have a sketch pen, you're going to circle T-H-E, the in that page. Wherever you have T-H-E, the. You're going to circle wherever you have T-H-E, the. Wherever you have T-H-E. Wherever you have T-H-E, the, you're going to circle it. Okay, how many the did you find? 1, 2, 3. Yes,
Ma'am,
only two.
And
Yes, 2.
two.
Correct.
Ma'am.
It's 2.
Ma'am.
2. Okay.
Ma'am. Three.
You, anybody found 3?
One.
How many did you find? 2 or 3?
Heading.
I can't hear you, Siddharth. How many did you find? 2 or 3? Or else show me the hand. 2. Everybody found 2. Okay, now find out the how many B's are there. B, E, E, B. Find out B and circle it. B, E, E, B. 3 is there. Okay, let me see. Vivan, did you find out D, B, E, E?
Say no. I circle three.
You circle 3. Okay, 3. Tamika is showing me 3.
Three.
Janvi, how many did you find out? 2 or 3?
4. 1, 2, 3.
How many, Janavi? 3. Okay, Sailesh?
4.
You found out 4. Show me.
Heading.
Let me just pin it. Okay, from the heading.
1.
Show me, Sailesh. Get in.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm late.
Good morning, Aiden. No problem. Excuse Aiden. Welcome to the class, Aiden. 4. Okay.
B.
Heading. Okay, buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. When you collect sweet honey, one flower to another. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. Buzz, buzz, oh honey bee. The honey is so very sweet. Take it to the big hive. Then you do your little jive. Okay.
See, I didn't hear.
Done, everyone. 3.
Ma'am, I am 3, ma'am.
You have 3, Hashini. Okay. Just show me the fingers. Please don't unmute and everybody will start unmuting. Okay, Aiden, we are doing an activity in rhymes book. If you have your rhymes book, please take out rhymes book. The honeybee rhyme.
Honeybee rhyme.
Sorry, ma'am. We are away from our house. We just
Yeah,
came
no
to
problem, no
Kerala, so
problem.
we didn't
Okay.
carry.
Done, everyone? Okay. Now find out the word honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. 5. Okay. Ramika is showing me 5, Ani. Satvika, how many did you find, Satvika, honey? Danvin is showing me 5. Vivan is showing me 4. Karthikeyan. Zaidi, how many did you find? Parnas, how many did you find, Parnas?
I don't know.
Nikhila has found out 5. Okay. 5. Satvika has found out 5. Neha, how many did you find?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. In the this is the book, right, ma'am?
The rhymes book. Oh, can you open the book and show me? Give me a second. Let me just check. Yes. Rhymes book. You have Buzz Buzz Honeybee rhyme. I am not sure of the page number. Rhymes book. It will have the rhymes there. This is only phonics. This is only phonic sounds. You'll have rhymes. I think you'll have rhymes written there. I think Hashni is showing me. You'll have rhymes written at the top. Thank you, Hashni.
Yes.
You'll have rhymes and then senior KG. Hashni has found out 5. Okay. Devkrish, you found out 5 or 6? 6. Devkrish has found out 6. Danvin has found out 3.
6.
Kavian has found out 6. Okay. Karthikeyan, how many did you find?
Unless found 6.
Rajesh found 6. Okay.
I'm not ma'am.
Okay, notebook. Okay.
6 ma'am.
6. Okay. Okay, 6. Now find the word buzz. What is spelling for buzz there? Buzz. Who is going to read out the spelling and tell me? Buzz. Z. Okay, Sailesh, come on.
That.
Come on, Sailesh, read out the spelling.
Bus.
Spelling.
Read out the spelling. B.
B U
Mm.
Z Z B U Z Z.
Okay, B-U-Z-Z or B-U-Z-Z. You're going to find the spelling for buzz. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. Find out buzz. Good, Siddharth. You found out. Siddharth, I'm seeing your leg but not your hands. Can you just sit down and show me, Siddharth? Show me, how many did you find out, Siddharth?
Ma'am.
6. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Who is that?
Ma'am.
Rohita. Tell me, Rohita.
Yes, forward.
Ma'am.
You got disconnected and you joined back.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, Rohita. Do you have the rhymes book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take out the honeybee rhyme. Take out the honeybee rhyme.
Okay, ma'am.
And find out the word buzz. Yes, Pranita. What do you want, Pranita? How are you? Tell me, Pranita.
Ma'am.
6, Neha. Okay. Pranita, I can't hear you, dear. Kavyani is showing me 6. Okay. Danvin is showing me 6. Okay. Devkrish 6. Okay.
6 ma'am.
Lady 6. Okay. Diction 6. Okay. 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 Now, very good. Yes, Sailesh 6. Keep your notebooks down. Keep your rhymes book down. Okay. Done. Finish. Keep it down. So, we'll revise. What did we learn yesterday? A quick recap. What did we learn yesterday? Siddharth, can you tell me what did we learn yesterday, Siddharth? I can't hear you.
Frog and animals.
We learned frog and animals yesterday.
What did we learn?
You're talking about the story?
Frog.
Ma'am, he's telling about the story, ma'am.
Story, yeah, I'm asking that. Yeah, what we learned about that story. What was the story name?
What was the story name?
Siddharth, when I'm asking you, I'm not answering Siddharth. What is the story name? Look at me. The boat.
Look at ma'am. Story name என்ன?
Boat.
Tarnika, what did we learn yesterday, Tarnika? The boat.
Bird.
Parts of bird. Okay. Hashini, what did we learn yesterday?
Parts of the bird.
Parts of the bird. What happened? Okay, can you tell me one part of a bird? Does bird have mouth? Does bird have teeth? Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Bird has teeth? No. Okay. Okay. So yesterday I was not able to show the sheet. So today we'll revise one more time and then we'll start the concept today. So yesterday we learned about parts of the bird. The parts of the bird are I want all of you to repeat after me. Okay? Will you all? Head, beak, body, leg, and then tail. Yesterday we missed tail, right? Tail, wings. Wings. So birds are using those wings here for flying. So parts of the birds are eye, beak, body, wings, legs, and tail. Like we have head, eyes, nose, mouth. What is this? Chin, neck, chest, stomach, lap, and legs. Likewise, bird has head, eyes, beak, body, wings, and what is the last one? What is the last one? Tail and legs. Okay. So today we are going to do an interesting worksheet. Before we move on to that, you remember we talked about flying birds and flightless birds. Remember, Jahnavi, can you tell me two flightless birds? Two flightless birds. Ostrich. Ostrich. Okay, good. Aiden, can you tell me two flying birds?
What of kiwi? And
Kiwi. Okay, Tejas. Naitik, can you tell me two flying birds, Naitik?
Vulture.
And
Rabbit.
okay, one more.
Eagle.
Can crow fly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Neha, two flightless birds, Neha.
சொல்லு.
Row.
Flightless. Cannot fly. Flightless.
Bird.
Thank you.
Okay. I can't hear you, Neha.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு. ரொம்ப பேசு.
Thank you.
I asked two birds which cannot fly. Kiwi, ostrich, penguin. Okay. So shall we start the worksheet? Before that, we are going to play a quick game. Ready for the game? Yes. Are you all ready? Okay. Okay.
Yes, we are.
Fantastic. Okay. Can you see the white slate I'm showing you with pens here? Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens here. So we are going to learn one word today. Odd man out. What are we going to learn today? Odd man out. What does that mean? When we are going to find the thing which is different from all the others. If you see here, I have 5 pens here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 4 are in black color. This is alone in white color. So this is different and this is the odd man out. You got it? So odd man out, when I say, you're going to find which is different from all the rest of the things. These all are in black color. This is white in color. So this is odd man out. Got it, everyone? Is that clear? Let me show you something else. So what is odd man here, Dhanvin?
Red pen.
Yeah, red pen. All these are in blue color and this is in red color. Odd man. Okay, now tell me. What is odd man here?
Scissor.
Yeah, scissor. Why all these are pens? This is scissor. So everybody understood what is odd man out? Clear? Shall we do the worksheet? Please check out worksheet SRD 70. Let me just check. SRD 70 CT worksheet. Please take out the worksheet. I'll share the worksheet in a minute. Please take out the worksheet SRD 70 CT worksheet. Please write your name. And who is going to help me with the date today? Nitila?
Ma'am, B70. Ma'am, B70.
Yes, sir.
B70.
Nitila, I can't see it. 7/10. Okay. The date is 7th October. So, October. And today is 7th. Yesterday was 6. Today is 7th. Is this 7th? Kavyayani, is this 7th? Kavyayani, is this 7th?
Ma'am.
Is this 7th?
No, this is L.
This is 7th?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. This star is for Kavyayani and Nitila for helping me for the date. Good. Okay, so today is 7th October 2021 and today is, somebody told me, Vivan told me when he joined the call. Today is Thursday, Thursday. So today is 7. So what is tomorrow, Dikshan? Today is 7. What is tomorrow, Dikshan?
Tin.
Today is 7. So tomorrow?
Tin.
8. So please write today's date 7.10.21. Done, everyone? Finished? Shall we start? Let me share the screen. Okay, so here we are going to circle the odd one out. So what is meant by odd one? The one that is different from all the birds. Okay, so what is the first bird? Anybody?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker. So all these are woodpecker and this one is
Parrot.
parakeet, parrot. So which is the odd one here? Okay, let me call out the name. Let me call out the name. Pranita. Which is the odd one here in the first one, Pranita?
First time.
Yes,
Parrot is the odd one. Please circle parrot. So we are going to find the odd one now, the one which is different. Here, what is the next one? What is this bird? What is this bird? Anyone?
Train.
Train.
Huh?
Who says train? It's crane, right?
Swan.
Swan, crane, swan. Tanvin is saying swan. Okay. Any other answer?
Crane.
Crane. Okay. Any other answer? Crane, swan. I've got. Any other answer? Okay. So shall we circle the odd one? Okay. Let me call. Who I have not talked for a long time. Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Vihan, which is the odd one? Which is the odd one here? For 1, 2, 3, 4.
हाँ बोलो बोलो no
Ma'am, second one, ma'am.
Why second one, Vihan?
this is ostrich
Why second one is odd? That is correct. Why second one?
बोलो ostrich
Ostrich.
All the birds are turning. Vihan,
Yes, ma'am.
why second one is the odd one? I didn't hear the answer. Sorry.
Ma'am, second to ma'am.
Why?
Second one.
All these are turning this side and this is turning the other side. That's why. Okay. What about the next one? Parnas.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. The rest are all cranes. So this is ostrich. Swan and crane. Okay. Ostrich is the odd one. Last one. Diction. Which is the odd one?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. This is odd one. Pigeon is odd one. Good.
बोलो जो से बोलो pigeon
That is different from rest of the birds.
अरे ऐसे बोलो pigeon
Done everyone. Odd one. Okay, and I wanted to show you this. Can you see the picture, Siddharth? The difference between eagle and vulture?
S.
Yes, do you see that?
S.
Yes. Let me draw a line here. This is vulture. This is vulture. Vulture, and this is eagle. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
I got it. Okay. So done, everyone. Finished. Okay, keep your notebooks, everything down. We're going to play a small game. Freeze game. Okay? But I'm not going to give the instruction. I want somebody to give it. Let me ask who else? Zedi. Zedi is going to tell some action. You're all going to do. When Zedi says freeze, you're going to stop. Okay? Got it? Zedi will say an action. Whatever action she is saying, you're going to do. When Zedi says freeze, you're going to stop. Okay, Zedi?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Zedi. All ready? Are you all ready?
We are.
Okay, come on. Okay, Zedi, what action you're going to say? Action word.
Start. Say action word.
What action word you going to say?
Jump.
Jump. He says jump.
बोलना freeze. बोलो freeze.
Sit.
Freeze. Good, Tejas. Very good, Farna. Sailesh. Vihan, good. Good. Okay. Thank you, Zedi, for helping. Kavyayini.
Run. Run.
Kavyayini is saying run. Run.
Freeze.
Freeze. Thank you, Kavyayini. Farnas.
Single.
Sing.
Yes.
Sing. She's asking all of you to sing. Come on, start singing. Good, Siddharth. Okay, come on. Freeze. Thank you. Satvika. Dancing. Satvika has asked you to dance. Satvika has asked you to dance. Come on. Don't feel freeze. Good. Thank you, Satvika. Vihan.
Sit, teacher.
What action do you want to say?
Sit, ma'am.
I can't hear.
Oh,
Sit, ma'am.
Sit. Sit down. He's asking all of you to sit down. Okay. Now let me say one action. Last action we'll finish. I want all of you to swim. 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 Siddharth is lying down on the floor and swimming. Swim. Freeze. Okay. Come back to your place. Thank you so much, children. Okay. So now we are going to revise number line. We started 2 days back. Okay, do you all know what is forward, backward? Forward, we are going to go after number. Backward, we are going to go one step back, like the previous number. Okay, backward counting. Let me ask. Starfish. Today we'll use starfish. Okay. Where is the starfish now? Pranita. Where is the starfish?
3.
3. Okay, I'm asking the starfish to jump, hop 2 steps. Where will the hop? Where will the starfish go? 2 steps. 1, 2. Where will the starfish go?
5.
5. Good, Pranita. Okay. Now the starfish is number 5. Tarnika, I'm asking the starfish to jump, hop or jump 3 steps. Where will the starfish go?
6, 7, 8.
8. Good. Fantastic. Now, where is the starfish? Siddharth.
8, ma'am.
8. I'm asking the starfish to jump 1 step. Where will the starfish go?
9.
9. Good. Vivan, where is the starfish?
It's on 9.
On 9. I'm asking the starfish to go backward. I'm asking you to go backward, reverse walking. 2 steps. Where it will go? 2 steps backward.
6.
First it will go to 8. One more step, it will go to 7. Good. Kavyayini.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the starfish.
7.
7. I'm asking the starfish to go backward. Okay, backward. 2 steps. Okay, so first step it will go to.
6.
Then next one more step it will go to.
5.
5. Good. Nitila.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
எங்க இருக்கு ஸ்டார்
5, ma'am.
It is in 5. I'm asking the starfish to go 1 step backward. Only 1 step. So where will the starfish go? From 5 to.
Ma'am, பின்னாடி போகுது ma'am.
பின்னாடி தான் என்ன நம்பர் 5 ல இருந்து பின்னாடி போனா
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Parnas,
Yes.
where is the starfish?
4.
I'm asking the starfish to go 3 steps forward. Where will it go?
3 step forward.
First we'll go to 5. 1 step. 6. 1 step.
7.
7. Silish.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking the starfish to go backward 2 steps. Where it will go? Backward. 2 steps.
5.
Very good. Naitik. Where is the starfish?
5.
5. I'm asking the starfish to go 2 steps backward. Backward. Where it will go?
4.
கூட
3. 3.
3. Okay. Janavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the starfish?
3.
I'm asking the starfish to go 2 steps forward. Where it will go? Forward.
4.
Forward.
4 to 5.
4. First we'll go to 4, 1 step. Second step 4 to 5. Okay. So now please take out your worksheet. SR D69 empty worksheet. Please take out SR D69 empty worksheet. Please write your name and write today's date 7.10.21.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am.
SR D69 empty worksheet. I'm sharing the worksheet now.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
அப்படிலாம் கிடையாது.
இங்க ஜம்ப் பண்ண எங்க இருக்கும்?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Backward.
Forward.
Yes,
Forward
Aiden.
na.
Excuse me, Radha. Yeah. Can you please repeat worksheet number?
இல்லையா உனக்கு?
SR D69 empty worksheet. 4 to 5.
SRD
SID.
SR D69 empty worksheet. I'm sharing the worksheet on the screen.
69.
I think somebody has unmuted. Who is that? That's why it's noisy. I don't know who is that. SR D69 empty. 6969. Have you all taken the worksheet? Did you all write your name and date? 7.10.21. Wrote your name and date. Okay, the first one, let me call Aiden. Have you found out the sheet?
Yes, madam.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, can you see what is the animal there?
Listen to ma'am, not
What
me.
is the animal
Yes.
there? Is it a frog or
What
a
is
rabbit?
animal? What is this animal?
Cabbage.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Rabbit. So where is which number is the rabbit sitting?
Then പറ അവിടെ ഒരു ജമ്പ് ചെയ്ത ഏതിലേക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവുക ഫോറില്
ഫോറിലോട്ട്
Where is the rabbit sitting now?
which number rabbit is sitting
Please listen to my question. Where is the rabbit sitting?
say
3.
3. Okay, now I'm going to ask the rabbit to hop 2 times. Okay, so the first hop it will go to 4, and second hop it will go to
3. 5.
5. So when the rabbit hopped 2 times, first it will go from 3 to 4, and then it will go from 4 to 5. Okay, Dev Krish. I want all of you to circle the number, okay, like I'm doing it here. Dev Krish, are you there? No. Neha.
Ma'am, Sacred is here, ma'am.
Dev Krish, you are there. Okay, give me a minute, Neha. Dev Krish, where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is starting 4.
Rabbit is on 4.
The rabbit is on 4.
On 4. The rabbit is on 6, right?
Which one you asked, ma'am? Second one?
Second
Or third
one.
Second one, sorry. Yeah, this one.
Where is the rabbit?
Where is the rabbit?
The rabbit is
The rabbit is on.
the rabbit is on stop.
The rabbit is on number சொல்லுது. Where is the number? Where is the rabbit here?
6.
Very good. The rabbit is on 6. Now I'm asking the rabbit to hop 2 times. Can you make the rabbit hop? 1 and 2. So where will the rabbit go? From 6 to when it hop 2 times, where it will go?
Open your mouth loudly, Devkrish.
8. Thank you, Devkrish. Rohita. Where is the rabbit?
4.
4. Okay, we are asking the rabbit to hop 3 times. 1.
1, 2, 3. 7.
Okay, so I'm asking the rabbit to hop 3 times. So rabbit will go to 4, then 5. From 4 it will go to 5, 6, and then 7. So the rabbit will be on 7. When it hopped, very good, Rohita. So first the rabbit was on 4. The rabbit hopped 3 times more. So the rabbit is on 7.
Amma.
Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the rabbit?
2, ma'am.
The rabbit is on 2. Now I'm asking the rabbit to hop 4 times. 1,
1, 2,
3.
4.
So where will the rabbit go?
6.
6. Please circle the number, draw arc like this, draw upper curve like this. Then it will be easy for us to count. So please draw like what we are doing here now. So the rabbit is on 6. Done. Finished everyone this worksheet. Is anybody still writing?
Finish, ma'am.
Finish ready, okay. Pranita, done? Okay, Pranita.
Finish, ma'am.
Good. Aiden?
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, just show me thumbs up, everyone, okay? If anybody is writing, let me know. Stylish done, okay. Okay, so now let's practice the worksheet, cursive writing, day 67. I think we have not done day 67. No, we did day 67, right? No. Day 67, LTWS02. Day 67, LTWS02. Please check out your slates. Please check out your slates. What, Pranita?
Green. Green, ma'am.
Pranita, what are you telling, Pranita? I can't see you also. Pranita, take out your slate, Pranita. We are going to write in the slate. You're going to tell me something. I don't hear that. What do you want to say, Pranita? No, not to me. Okay. So, did you all take out your slate? Okay. Still, I have. We are not clear like how to write THP. First, we are going to write that, and then we are going to start writing. Okay. First, we are going to write T. Everyone, we are going to write T. Small T. Okay. From the blue line, curved slanting line. Come on, Janavi, take out your slate.
No chalk, ma'am.
Okay, rough note, no problem. Take out your rough note there.
Ma'am, I will make her to write in the note, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, I can see Tarnika is showing me. Sailesh has done his writing. He's raised his hand. Curved slanting line. Touch the red line. Trace on the same line, children, and then put a curve like this. That makes T. Your T should look straight. It should not be like this. You should T. What is happening to the T? It's like slanting like that. Our T should look straight like this. Okay. Yes, Naitik 2. War Naitik TOO2. I can see that. Yes, Rohita. Good, Pranita. Very good, Pranita. Neha, Sailesh. Good, Sailesh. Neha, what have you written? It's inverted. The slate is inverted. Tripikaatan. Good, Neha. Very good, Neha. Neha, can you write A and show me, Neha? Yes, Farnas. Good. Good, Siddharth. Good, Vivan. So we are going to write the first word in that worksheet, SRD 67. TOO2. So we know three words which sounds like two. First one, TO2. The next one, TWO2. There is one more two, TOO2. This is also two. All these you are going to read as two. Two. All these are two. Can you write all the two and show me? Two. Yes, A looks perfect, Neha. Janvi, come on, write all the twos and show me. TOO, TWO. Good, Pranita. Karthikeyan. Satvika. Dhanvin looks good. Very good. You have written. Good, Dhanvin. Satvika, Nitila, Ashini. Diction. Good diction. Satvika wrote 2. Satvika. Satvika, have you written? Satvika, Ashini. Good, Ashini. Just make sure the O touches the blue line, Ashini. I wrote it wrong. The O should touch the blue line, both the blue lines. Okay?
Ma'am, JD.
Yeah, Zedi. Good, Zedi. Come on, write TWO2 and show me.
Ma'am, Satvik.
Yeah, Satvika. Good, Satvika. Very good.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Finish, Karthikeyan. I was just searching you.
Finish, ma'am.
Good, Karthikeyan. So everybody wrote TOO, Kavya, I need done. Okay. Aiden. Aiden, have you written, Aiden? Okay, next we are going to write try. T-R-Y, try. Yeah, Tejas, you have the slate. You're going to write, Tejas.
अरे रुको ये रुको.
Wow. Good, Tejas. Fantastic. I can see that. Yeah, Neha, show me. Good, Neha. Neha, when you start writing, have a nice sharpened pencil and write slowly, Neha. Okay? Yes, Tanvin, it looks very nice, Tanvin. Okay. Now, yes, try. Satvika wrote try. Okay. T-R-Y. So first we are going to try slanting line. Touch the red line. Trace on the same line. Come down. R. And then Y. Only after writing Y, you will take your hand. Okay? Ashni, did you write try? T-R-Y, try. Good. Your R looks good very these days, Ashni. Very good. Then Naitik. Writing. Okay. Yeah, Karthikeyan. Good. TRY, try. Perfect. Yes, Dikshan. Yeah, Naitik. Good, Dikshan. Good, Naitik. Naitik, when you write T, no, trace on the same line and bring down. If you write like L, it will be like this. Try to write like this. Okay? Yeah, Sailesh. Okay.
Yeah.
Good, Pranita. Just make sure the R is little above. Okay, good, Pranita. So next we are going to write use. How will you write use? Slanting line. U, S. And then with the S, go back and then write E. Use. U-S-E. Use.
I use it.
Ashni. Rihan.
Very good.
Use.
Use.
U-E-S. U-E-S.
U-S-E. Use, Satvika. Yeah, Tarnika.
Ma'am.
Good, Satvika. If you take it out of the camera far away, I can see only half of it. Okay, Satvika? Yes, Dhanvin. Looks very neat. Yeah, no problem, Satvika. It's nice. Okay, the next word we're going to write is was. Was. Yes. W A S. Was. Good, Hashini. You wrote it very fast. Okay. Vihan, did you write Vihan? W-A-S. Good, Kavyani. Just make sure, Kavyani, you start with the slanting line. When you start with slanting line, Kavyani. Okay? Janavi, did you write was? Janavi, what did you write? Show me so far. Good, Dhanvan. Okay, you have written try, good, to, okay. Okay, TW, okay, good. Come on, write WAS. Try to write within the blue line. Shall we write together, Janavi? Slanting line. Blue line, kulla da irukano. U. One more U. Small loop. A. C port A. Ah, very good, Janavi. A. Super. Then S. Slanting line. Bend. Good. Pranita, A should touch with the blue lines, both the blue lines, okay? Yes. Yeah, Neha. Write one more time, Janavi, without any help. Come on, write and show me. Without nobody helping you for S. Come on. Yeah, Tarnika. Good, Tarnika. I saw Sailesh, Pranita, Neha. Okay. Dikshan, did you write? Was? Yes. Next word is who. W-H-O. Who. W-H-O. Who. W-H-O. Who. W-H-O. Who. Hashini, make sure the H doesn't come out after the blue line. If it comes after the blue line, it will look like P. Okay, Hashini? Yeah, Tarnika. Dhanvan, good, Dhanvan. You're raising a hand. Yes. W-H-O, I can see Dhanvan. Yeah, Pranita, show me. Pranita, try writing with cursive, Pranita. W, good diction. W-H-O. Slanting line, W. Write the W and show me, Pranita. With a loop. Good, Devkrish. Was, who. Then H. Can we all write the last word of date, the word today? Zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. How do you write that? It's been a long time, we would have forgot. Did you write Pranita? W-H-O? Slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, slanting line, inverted C, touch the red line, go up, Z. Z, as in zoo, zip. Kavyani, not clear on Z? Good, Devkrish. Yes, Dev Dikshan, very nice. Dhanvan, good, Dhanvan. Ah, it looks good, Pranita, now. Okay. Then O, zoo. As we wrote two, no? Same way, two O's. Zoo. Okay. Okay, with that we are finishing the writing part for today. Yeah, Karthikeyan. Good, Karthikeyan. Very nice. Yeah, Hashini. Zoo to the corner. Okay. Yeah, Neha, it looks very good, Neha. The same way as you're writing in slate, no? Same way, write the homework neatly and send me, Neha. Okay, with a sharp pencil. Okay? Yes, Satvika, good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting for a neat work from to mark neat for Neha. Okay? Yes. Okay. Any questions? Anything not clear? Okay, thank you so much. The class is over for today. So today is what? Thursday, and tomorrow is? Tomorrow is?
Friday!
Can we